Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own faceless, voiceless YouTube video. Yes, that's right. Not your face and not your voice. Using ChatGPT, Voice AI, and Canva for free. I'm not going to show you how to sign up in this video, but if you want to see how to do that, let me know in the comments, and I'll create one for you guys. Okay, let's get into it. We're going to create an affirmations video for the busy entrepreneur. Let's go to ChatGPT, and we're going to type write 5 affirmations for a busy entrepreneur, and we'll let ChatGPT do its thing. Great, just like that. It took 5 seconds. Now to Canva, let's type in YouTube video and see what we can find. Let's filter free videos. If you have the pro version, that's fine too, but we'll work with the free for now. Look, this one fits the theme we are looking for. Let's use this one. As you can see, the background is set and the font as well. I like it, so I am going to keep it as is and just change the words to the affirmations ChatGPT gave us. So let's format this and add in affirmations for the busy entrepreneur. Let's duplicate these. So we have 5 of them. I'll copy each one and populate them on each snippet. Let's align this, and you'll see Canva has a tool that lets the text just snap in place. Do that until you are settled with it. Okay, and the rest here. Align that, click the next one. Copy-paste this to each one. It makes it a little quicker when you do it this way. Next, number 3, align that, delete that. And next 4, do the same thing. And 5, that part is done. You almost have a whole video in less than 10 minutes. Okay, checking each one to make sure it's all good. Now for the voice. Play 8T is a free tool to add a voice to any text you set. So we'll go here to create new file. You can click any one of these that fit. But for this video, we'll choose the first one, Play 2.0. It's still in the beta phase, but it works for what we want. Okay, click that. Now copy the affirmations from ChatGPT and paste them into this box here. Then we'll select the name you see at the top and sort through the selection of voices, and as you can see, there are different accents, genders. You can select narrator, advertising, meditation, or standard. Pretty great. Let's hear this one, Sarah or Ruby. Let's choose Ruby. Okay, now we have our messaging and our voice. Now click play on each one of these and it'll generate. Once all done, click export. You can do this as one file or separate. I'll show you what this looks like in Canva in a second. Look back to Canva. We'll click upload, then audio, and find your file. The single file didn't work for me because it doesn't allow you to match the Canva video exactly, so the separate ones are fine. Just extract them and select each one to upload into Canva. Once they're uploaded, add them to your video like this. You need to drag it to fit each affirmation. I know you're waiting to hear what it sounds like. Hang on tight. It's coming. Okay, audio has been added, and let's get ready to click play to see it all come together.
I am capable of managing my time effectively and efficiently to achieve my business goals. I trust my instincts and decision-making abilities to navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. I am resilient and adaptable, ready to overcome any obstacles that come my way. I prioritize self-care to maintain a healthy work-life balance and sustain my entrepreneurial journey. I attract opportunities and resources that support the growth and success of my business.
And there you have it, friends. A faceless and voiceless video using 3 free tools, Play, Canva, ChatGPT in less than 10 minutes. Now imagine how many of these you can create in a day to batch content, start your own YouTube, or just make your content creations easy. That's all for now. Let me know if this video helped you, or if you want to see more of these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to see my next video. Until next time, friends, you keep going. Your next level is waiting.